Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Happy Monday, or whatever day you happen to be watching this. So, as you can tell from the thumbnail, we have got Ipsy for April 2025. I almost said 2024. I was about to go back in time. But yeah, so Ipsy, which I know Ipsy, I just get the basic regular bag where you get the 5 items. It runs like $16.98 with the tax and everything. So, you know, I still think it's worth it, but I don't know. What do you all think about Ipsy? Are you over it? Or are you still into it? Let's dive in, shall we? So the bag this month, this reminds me of an orange slice, I guess just because it's orange. And then it's got a little, this zipper pulls a little flower. So I do think that's cute, a little unique. And then it's got the little Ipsy on the side here. So let's see, is there any, oh, nope, there's nothing in the bag itself. Let's look at the card. Spring into self-care. Okay. And yes, on the inside it does list the products, which I do appreciate. Okay, so let's just start with the first item here. This is from Blinc Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. Now, I did get a mascara. I think it might have been in last month's bag. I do not like it at all. But this is from Blinc Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara in black. Full size retails for $26, and it says, for fuller, longer, and ultra dramatic lashes that rival falsies, this mascara is a game changer. Powered by next level tubing technology, each swipe wraps your lashes in pigment that resists smudging, flaking, clumping, and sweat, building intense length and volume with every layer. So I'm excited to try this. I don't want to open it yet. I always love to see what the wand looks like. But I am going through one right now. I did get one that I really liked. I believe it was an elf one from a couple of months ago. I'm going to try to do at the end of the year all the products that I love from Ipsy and all the ones that I absolutely didn't love. So be on the lookout for that. That'll be towards the end of the year. Okay, and next is, this is from a Glow Recipe. So this is some self-care skincare right here. Full size retails for $35. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA+BHA Pore Tight Toner. Give your parched skin a much needed gulp of this hydrating and clarifying toner. It uses watermelon, cucumber, and cactus water to help replenish dry skin, while polyhydroxy acid and willow bark help to unclog your pores, leaving your skin smooth and supple. So I do like Glow Recipe products. That tends to work well with my dry skin. So hopefully this will be good. With the weather changing, it's getting hotter here. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. So typically when the weather changes, I feel like my skin gets drier. Anybody else? Like, even when I sweat and stuff, I still have dry skin. I just have dry skin all over, but that's me. Anywho's. So next up is a lip trip. So let's just find out what this is. This is KVOSSNYC Lip Trip Lip Liner in Soho. Full size retails for $23. This weightless pink nude liner glides on like a dream, giving you rich, long-lasting color that enhances your natural lip pigment. It's the perfect wingman for any lipstick, or just wear it solo for your lips but better vibe. So I do love a good sort of nude. I like one that kind of matches my lips, because some of the nudes tend to go too brown, but hopefully this will be a good one. We shall see. We shall see. And next is from Nip Plus Fab Illuminate Vitamin C Fix Hybrid Gel Cream. Okay, and the full size retails for $25. Glow up with this weightless gel-like moisturizer packed with a potent 5% vitamin C complex for a radiant, lit from within look. Niacinamide helps even out skin tone, while ferulic acid amps up the brightening power of vitamin C, leaving your skin feeling smooth, hydrated, and glowing. Okay, I'm excited to try this. I hope this is good. And last product, had quite a bit of skincare, another skincare item. This is from MZ Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani. Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. I have never had to buy eye cream. Thanks to Ipsy, I have never had to actually physically buy an eye cream. So that's something. So Ipsy's good for that, I will say that. Full size of this retails for $150. Are you kidding me? That is expensive. Okay, this stuff better be magic. And it says, this eye cream is packed with a collagen-stimulating tripeptide blend to plump up five lines and wrinkles. Dark circles and discolorations are diminished with help from albiza bark extract, while dry, crepey skin is smoothed out with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So I'm super excited to try this. I'm definitely going to incorporate this in my skincare, even though sometimes when you have a skincare routine and you put new stuff in, sometimes it may not mesh, but I'm gonna try. If it's 100, how much was the full size? Is $150. We'll see if it works magic. We shall see. So that was everything for April 2025 Ipsy. This was the bag again. Tell me what items you got. Tell me stuff you've loved, some items you've loved that you got from Ipsy, and some that you've absolutely hated. Leave it down in the comments below. I'm interested to know. Hopefully give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, I would love to have you here. I typically upload on Monday. I don't typically do every Monday, just when my schedule kind of allows it, but I typically will upload on Mondays. And with that, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.